Updating your legal name on Everest forms is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and accurately. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that prove your legal name change. This may include a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Step 2. Access your Everest account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to personal information. Once logged in, locate the section for personal information or profile settings. This is typically found in the account settings menu. Step 4. Update your name. In the personal information section, find the field for your legal name. Enter your new legal name as it appears on your supporting documents. Ensure that all spelling and formatting are correct. Step 5. Submit changes and confirm. After updating your name, submit the changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification. Check your account to ensure that the name has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can efficiently update your legal name on Everest forms. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for further assistance.